What up, everybody? It's your boy DL, aka the Church Guitarist, and I'm excited to share we got a new series starting this Friday called Guitars, Gear, and Grooves. It's going to be part information, part interview, part shed, but it's going to be a whole lot of fun. First of all, how you get the information is you subscribe to our YouTube page. So make sure you do that now and hit the notification sign so you can get all of the updates that we're going to be posting. If you're in the Facebook private member group, it's going to come to you every Friday live, just like YouTube, but every Friday live. You don't have to do anything different. Just set your notifications. So we're going to be interviewing some of America's top guitarists who are session players or they play on the road professionally, on tour with somebody. Maybe they are the headliners. So you don't want to miss a moment. Guitars, gear, and grooves. Grab your guitar because this is going to be nice. You don't want to miss a moment. All right, I'll see you soon.